What's up guys, I am back here with another new smartphone review video, and in today's video we have the OPPO F11. This is the lighter variant, not the Pro. And so first of all, let's check out the box. At the back side you can see here are some main features like 48 megapixel dual rear camera, 4020 mAh of battery, 6.5 inches of display, and the hyper boost technology with 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs internal storage. And the smartphone color is jewelry white. And so let me tell you that I have already unboxed this phone and I have set up the phone, so I will be doing the quick unboxing of this phone. So first of all we have this little folder, and then we have our phone. You can see, let's keep it aside and check out this folder. So in this folder we have a silicone based back case. You can see it is foldable and it is made up of high quality, and this is a booklet and a SIM ejector tool. So let's keep it aside also and check out the USB cable. You can see that the USB cable is green from inside, and this is the sign of fast charging. Yes, this phone will also support fast charging, and we will see the ampere rating on the adapter. So let's see, and it is a micro USB cable. So here is the adapter, and it is the VOOC adapter from OPPO, and here you can see the ampere rating on this adapter is 4 ampere, and it obviously means that you will get the VOOC fast charging in this OPPO F11, and this is really very good thing. And after that we have pair of hand frees, you can see. So let's keep them aside and now check out our device. So here is the device. Let's take this cover off, and here is the phone I have already set up, and you can see that it is turned on already. Let's decrease the brightness so that we can see anything. You can see that the phone is giving us a classy look, but it is made up of plastic. And here are the dual rear cameras with 48 megapixel and 5 megapixel, and a LED flashlight and fingerprint sensor. And at the bottom we have an audio jack, a microphone, charging port, and a speaker. And at this side we have a power button, and at this side we have volume bricks along with the SIM tray. This is a IR blaster so that you can control your TV devices with it. And this is the front camera, and it is of 16 megapixels. Now let's check out the SIM tray. So we have our SIM ejector tool, and let's take it out. So you can see that it is hybrid SIM slot. It means that you can insert one SIM and one card at one time, or two SIMs at one time. Now let's check out the internals of this OPPO F11. Let's open the settings of this phone, and then in the about phone section you can see that the device name is OPPO F11, and you can see that it has the ColorOS version 6 with Android version 9, and the processor is Helio P70 with 4 gigs of RAM. And Helio P70 is really a mid-range processor, and this device also have the face unlock. And the face unlock, we will be checking out that how much fast is that. So first of all we will have to enroll our face. I am done with that. Now let's check out the speed of this face unlock system. And wow guys, you can see that it turned on the phone in just a fraction of second. Instantly you can see the face unlock is super fast. And now it's time for the fingerprint. Let's check it, and this is really cool. It is also working very fast. You can see both of the security components on this phone are really super fast. you can see. And now we have the camera, so we will be checking out the camera options and all of the modes in front and back camera. So let me tell you that at the back of this phone it has the dual rear camera setup of 48 megapixel with 1.8 aperture and 5 megapixel with 2.4 aperture. It has video mode, photo mode, and we also got the 2x zoom option in it, and it is the portrait mode so that you can blur the background. And here is night panorama, expert, time lapse, slow mo, and the Google lens. The Google lens is actually a kind of AI sensor, like you can read and scan the text documents through the Google lens. And here at the top you can see it is the flashlight. You can turn it on or off, and the HDR and some color gradings. You can see that the filters, and these are the camera options. You can customize your resolution and everything from here. And now let's check out the front camera. So I have turned to the front camera, and here we also got the same options: video, photo, and portrait. But the modes are two in this camera: panorama and time lapse. So this is the front camera setup, and at the top we got the same options like as the back camera setup. So the front camera is of 16 megapixel with aperture 2.0. So the overall device is hitting the huge specifications. You can see that. And now it's time to check out the resolution of this phone. So the resolution of this phone is 1080 by 2340 pixels, and we will be checking out the YouTube and playing a video on this huge display so that we can experience the full resolution video. And let me check out one of my own video so that we will have no chances of copyright. Take the resolution up to the maximum 1080p, and you can see that the video quality is really good, and sound is also very good. The speakers are really boosted up and provides good sound. And if we zoom into the video, then it will be set up to the full display so that you can experience the full display resolution. And this is really cool. With no bezels, you can experience the full HD resolution. And now we have some games to play, and first of all we will be trying out the Asphalt 9. So let me set it up. Almost to begin. 3, 2, 1 and go. The quality is overall good. I can say that it is providing us the best quality, but it is not really much better because it is showing some lags. You can see by your own that it is having some lags when I rotate the car. But the overall quality of this game is really good, but it cannot play your Asphalt 9 in full HD settings, so you will have to take the settings a bit down so that you can have smooth experience. And now we have the PUBG. Yes, it is also the highly recommended game to play as a gaming test, so we will also be checking out this game, and we have turned it on. Now let's wait to get into the lobby. So we will be playing out the quick match, because if we play out that classic match then the video will get too long. So we are all ready. Let me show you the settings, the graphic settings of the PUBG. You can see it is set up to HD, and we cannot take it to the HDR because it is not supported. The graphics on the PUBG was really mind-blowing, because these were way much better than the Asphalt 9 that we played recently. You can experience the PUBG on full HD settings on this device, and the overall gaming experience of this device is, I can say, it is very good. You can play games on it, but if we talk about that maximum settings, then we can't play that games that are highly graphics, and we can play them on high settings. So we have played enough PUBG, and we are all done with the gaming experience and the phone review. So that's all for today, guys. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed it, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.